So today we're doing multiplying fractions with whole numbers, okay? That has a totally different strategy, okay? So let's go over, what we have to do, okay? Now, first of all, I want you to go ahead and keep your first page out because I'm going to go ahead and be asking you to go over the steps with me, okay? You guys need to understand that I give you step by step by step by step, on the front page. And if you've used that, it can help you, for your advantage, okay? So, step number 1, we're going to convert mixed numbers to fractions if there's any. There's not going to be any in this assignment, but you may encounter them, okay? Step number 2, we're going to convert whole numbers to fractions. And this is simply by rewriting it so that the whole number is on the top and the number 1 is on the bottom, on the denominator, okay? From there on, we're going to multiply fractions as we've done the last week or so. So, let's work on a problem. 15 over here. 1 over 10 times 4. By the way, the 4 is on the right side, but it can also be on the left side. It'll be the same, okay? So, what they told us is just to go ahead and put a fraction by dividing it over 1, okay? What it means is that if you go ahead and do 1 goes into 4, how many times?
4.
4, right? So that's a whole number, okay? That's exactly what they're doing, okay? Now, what do we do after that? What's the first step of multiplying fractions, guys? Look at step number 3. What does it say? Simplify, right? And remember, we simplify top to bottom only. We cannot go, top, bottom. So what can we simplify there? 4, okay? With what?
2.
Okay, and what else? 10 and 2, right? Okay, good, and let's go ahead and rewrite this, okay? So 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5. 4 goes into 2 how many times? 2 over 1. What do we need to do now? What's step number 4 and 5? So we're just multiplying across, right? 1 times 2 is what?
2.
5 times 1 is what?
5.
Okay, let's do one more. Okay, do you see 7 over there? Okay, so again, we're just going to add a 1 at the bottom. Okay, what do we do after that? Simplify.
By 3.
And we can divide sideways by 3.
We're good, right?
Okay, yes sir.
All right. Where's my twin?
It's underneath. We're good. Okay, sorry guys, that was Mr. Jimenez. We're doing twin days today, so we can wear jeans. Okay, so let's go back to math, shall we? Okay, 9 goes into 3 how many times?
3.
3 times, okay, and over,
1.
okay, and then we have 3 goes into 3 how many times?
1.
1, right? And then the 1 on top. So what do we do next? What's step 4 or 5? Okay, multiply across, right? Top to bottom, right?
Yeah.
And we have 1 times 3, which is what?
3.
3, right? Over 1. Now, if we divide, 1 goes into 3 times. Anytime that you have a fraction over 1, we're just going to write the big number, okay? Okay? I think you guys are getting it. Do you want me to do one more, or are you good? Okay.